Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Slide the 2 tightening bolts towards the centre of the cabin filter flange, then remove it. Take the outer extremity of the cabin filter and remove it. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little bit more expensive, they're probably the best option. Take the filter out of its support. Put the filter back in place on its support, making sure you check the airflow direction. The arrows should point downwards. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Slide the support into its housing. Finish by putting the flange back in place and slide the locking latches outwards. Operation completed.